Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I welcome all my students from Bangladesh. Okay, so those who are from Bangladesh, please show me your presence. And how to do that? Comment this video, like this video from Bangladesh. Then all my friends and students from Pakistan, in Pakistan or all over the world, show your presence. And of course, my students in India, Namaste, Sat Shri Akal, Nepal, hello, Sri Lanka, Canada, and Africa, please say hello. Say hello to Asad Yaqub, comment this video, type your name, your city, and write something in your comment. Let's see how much creative you are. Okay guys, this video is all about IELTS speaking, and this video is about don'ts of IELTS speaking. Right? There are several don'ts. Don't number 1. What's your name? Different people have different names. Some people call themselves John. Some people call themselves Peter. Name is very important part of our life. Name is something that people call us with. Today I am very happy that you want to know my name. My name is Asad Yaqub. Okay, so I'm sorry. Yeah. So you need to be careful. Don't start with anything like that. Alright? Now let's go on. Examiner asks you, may I see your passport please? I am very glad that you are interested to see my passport. For my identification, I had brought my passport with me. So today I am going to show you my passport, and I am going to open the page of my passport where you can see my photo ID and my details. Thank you so very much. Oh my God, this is don't number 2. Don't speak extra. Don't give irrelevant answer. Don't speak extra. Question number 3. What's your favorite color? Color has become a very important part of our life. There are several colors in the universe. Birds are colorful, fruits are colorful. Today I would like to talk to you about my favorite color. I am glad that you want to know what my favorite color is, and you are interested in my favorite things. So to tell you the truth and to answer your question, my favorite color is red. Okay, by saying all that, you must be thinking, Canada tomorrow, direct flat to Nat. Okay, that's not possible. So do not try to prolong your answer unnecessarily. Alright, give a direct answer to the examiner. What's your favorite color? I believe black is my favorite color. Something like this, right? Instead of going here and there. Another don't of IELTS. What do you do in your free time? That is a very good question, and I'm really happy that today you have asked me what I do in my free time. I was already anticipating this question when I was coming here, and I'm very glad that you have met what I was expecting. So today I'm going to tell you what I do in my free time. So let me tell you, I do nothing in my free time. Is it okay? No. This is another don't of IELTS speaking. So please don't comment the question. Right? Don't comment the question that you say, all right, huh? Okay, now we have another don't of IELTS speaking. Hello, examiner. How are you, examiner? Fine. Examiner, you're looking so beautiful. You're looking so good, examiner. Examiner, give me good band score, huh? You're very pretty, examiner. You're very good. Or by the end of the test, that is the end of your IELTS speaking test. Thank you so much. May you have a good day. Oh, madam, thank you so much. Did I answer all the questions properly? Madam, can I see my band score? Madam, you've written somewhere. Madam, can you please tell me my band score? Madam, can you give me half band extra? Madam, can you give me 7 band? I need 7 band. Please, madam. Madam, please give me 7 band, madam. Okay, so this is another dot of IELTS speaking. If you do this, you will face the music. Really, you will face the music. All right. Now, another dot of IELTS speaking. Remember, there is no marking criteria for body language, but still you think body language is important, right? Dressing is important and all that. So how often do you go for shopping? I go for shopping regularly. In fact, the shirt which I'm wearing now, I had purchased this shirt last month, and this shirt was purchased especially for my speaking test. For listening, reading, writing, I have purchased 3 more shirts, and I have decided that after my listening test, I will go to the loo or washroom and change my shirt. Then after my reading test, I will change my shirt again, and by the end of the writing test, as I will be going back home, I will wear another shirt. So to answer your question, I like shopping very much, and this is my newest shirt which I purchased only for you. That's not good. Remember, dressing, body language, perfumes, eye contact. Yeah, perfumes are not important, but you should not have any of your own perfume, your own body perfume, your own smell. This is important, okay? There must not be any body odor. That's okay. But if you don't use perfume and there is no smell, it's okay. But if you smell badly or whatever, then you must use perfume, right? So don't use body language. Eye contact has no marking criteria, right? So you can just answer all the questions, right? Now, before I finish this video, let me tell you, IELTS speaking test is a test where examiner will check your natural English that you know. One is your natural English, and second is what you try to exaggerate. Right? That is not your English, but you try to exaggerate some English, and you try to tell the examiner that my English is hi-fi, and at the back your English is not that hi-fi. So examiner will actually try to find out your own English or your natural English or the way you speak English actually without those learned phrases and learned sentences which are not even connected with the topic. So this is important. In speaking and in writing module, examiners see your ability to write English naturally. Rather than you exaggerate, you learn 10 sentences to write in your essay, 20 words to use in your report, 50 phrases for letter writing. Yes, you can use them. You can use them wisely, but they should match with your other English and you will get good band score. Finally, for IELTS speaking, allow the examiner to conduct your speaking test. Answer all the questions properly. Very recently, I uploaded a video on IELTS speaking. That is around 25 minutes video. Watch that video and you'll be clear about it. That's all, guys. Thank you so very much. If you like my acting, you need to comment below and do let me know if you want me to make more comedy videos. Okay, enough is enough with IELTS, and now I want to make some comedy videos as well. But these comedy videos will be about IELTS speaking. All the best. Thank you so much. We offer IELTS online in-campus classes. We offer IELTS test booking. We have books on IELTS writing and speaking. We offer PTE online classes. We have IELTS test booking service, study plans. We have a wonderful software for computer delivered IELTS preparation. If you want to get any of these things, just WhatsApp us and we'll get back to you with more details. All the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.